I know we've gotten a break from the heat, but that heat wave is making its run for us.
Yeah, so by Wednesday, Thursday, we're feeling that heat. Maybe not 110 like we've been hearing in some parts of the country, 110 plus degrees, but we're still talking 95 or more degrees. And with the humidity, of course, we know it feels worse. At times it could feel above 100 degrees. We're taking a look. We're just going to start it off with this. This is our climate shift index, which shows the high temperature of the day across the country and how much more likely this is with climate change. You can see in parts where we were just talking about in these national parks, Arizona, Texas. These are spots where these temperatures up to 4 to 5 times more likely with climate change. These temperatures at 110 or more degrees. Why is this happening? It's this heat dome, this area of high pressure in the southwest. It's actually starting to get even stronger as the jet stream lifts north. It's making a run for us. Over the next couple of days, this ridge in the jet stream you see right there, this heat dome where the temperatures are so hot, is going to start to move east and expand east. It's going to start to just a little bit reach into the upper Midwest, and that's why we'll be tracking temperatures on the rise. But right now, that's not too much the case. It's been getting warmer and warmer steadily as this heat dome expands, but we're not quite to the 90 degrees yet. It's actually only 81 right now in a hazy, smoky day in Rochester. Dew point at 62. It's a little bit sticky, a little bit humid. Not the worst thing. There's a little bit more humidity rising into the week. Dew points are going to be above 60 degrees, so you can expect that humidity to be a factor. Air quality right now, I just talked about the smoke earlier, but this is from wildfires in Canada. Right now, it's at the level where it's unhealthy if you have asthma or COPD, if you're a little bit more sensitive to this stuff. I don't think it's going to get any worse, so maybe limit your time outside a little bit right now. Over the next couple of days, it's probably just lingering a little bit, but slowly getting better. Here's a look at Monday morning. You can see it's starting to dissipate, and into Tuesday. Still pretty smoky up north in northern Minnesota, but for us, I'm not expecting things to be too bad. Temps right now in the low to mid 80s. Oof, still pretty hot. Just wait. If you thought today was hot, you're gonna love this week. Again, we're going to be talking about that. Also, as things get hot, we're also going to be tracking chances for storms occasionally. Now, these storms, because things are so hot and at times so humid, well, they have a lot of energy to work with. That means they're going to be really, really isolated, but where they do pop off, they're going to be strong. There's a off chance tomorrow that we could see a storm, something pop up real quick. Those chances are low. In fact, they're very, very low. But we have a 1 out of 5 risk for severe weather, kind of just in case that something does pop off. Because if it does, then it will quickly become strong and maybe even severe, kind of like what we saw take hold yesterday afternoon in parts of southern Minnesota and northeast Iowa. We had a couple of storms roll through around this time 24 hours ago. So here we are tomorrow. We start the day off in the mid-60s. You can step out the door without a jacket. I'll be tracking that tomorrow with you. You can tune in then. Tomorrow afternoon, we're in the upper 80s, and with humidity, it's feeling like 90 degrees. Doesn't stop there. Notice how there wasn't a storm there. I'm not really expecting storms tomorrow, but if something does take hold, it could be quite strong. Now, Tuesday, okay, we're getting hot. It's not the stop. Things will get hotter and hotter and hotter. Dew points climbing into the 70s later this week. Downright tropical. It is going to be muggy. And then temperatures in the mid-90s. Oh, man. Let's just take a look at the heat index, what it will feel like going forward. We're going to do it day by day, and then we'll bring it to the 7-day. Here's Wednesday afternoon, feeling like 100. Here's Thursday afternoon, again, feeling like 100. Things are getting quite hot pretty quickly. 7-day forecast with the weekend's always in view. There's going to be some off chances for storms here and there, like tomorrow, maybe Tuesday, but the real best chance is going to be probably when these temps start to cool back down, sometime Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Gotcha. So if you're going to the Olmsted County Fair early this week, make sure you stay hydrated and start hydrating before you even go outside. Yeah,
you want to be drinking water all day long. You don't want to, bad things happen in the heat, so you got to be prepared.
All right. Thanks, Sean.